Hello, and welcome to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel any subscription in Google Play. To do this, you just need to go to the Play Store, and after that, go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen. And after that, go and click on Payments and Subscriptions. And after that, as you can see, there is like 4 options. You need to click on the second option, Subscriptions. And as you can see here, you will see here all the subscriptions that you have on your account. And to cancel anyone, of course, to cancel a subscription, it must be active. So like you choose the subscription that you want to cancel, click on it, and at the bottom of the screen, as you can see, there is an option called cancel subscription. You just need to click on it, and after that you answer to this question, like why you are canceling. For example, I will choose other and click continue, and here it will ask you the last question if you want to keep your subscription or you want to cancel. So if you want to cancel, you just need to click on cancel subscription and it will be canceled immediately. And of course, if like the app that you are canceling the subscription on, like you still have some time in your subscription, so you can use it for that time, and after like your subscription and it will be cancelled automatically. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.